Tired of wasting hours on generating reports for your business? Let me show you how we can simplify this with a click of a button with LeadLeaf software. Let me show you right now. Whether you're advertising on Google or Facebook, you need to go through all of those metrics and see exactly what ads are converting the best, what's your click-through rates, what's your cost per click, all these different stats that you need to know. Then you have to click on to Google, then you have to click on to Facebook. But with our software, we kind of eliminate that process for you. We put everything in one simple, easy window. So right here, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So in the reporting tab of our LeadLeaf software, you can link up your Google Ads account, your Facebook Ads account to this software. So what it will do, it will pull the reporting from your Google Ads account, so you don't have to keep on logging into Google and keep on logging into Facebook every single time. So you can literally log into Google Ads and see the impressions and see the clicks and see the conversions. How much did the client spend? What is the average cost per click? What's the average cost per conversion? What's your conversion rate? And then you can see even all the different types of campaigns on here as well. You can see all the different impressions, from the leads, click-through rate, everything else for what you need to see is all done here, simple and easy. And of course, you want to see more detailed information, you can always log back into Google and pull in more detailed reports. But if you're just trying to see exactly how the actual campaigns are doing, this is a simple and easy way. So even if you had your Facebook ads linked up to this, you can see how many impressions, how many clicks, conversions, what's your average cost per click, the same exact thing, right? So what your spends are and vice versa. So you can always adjust this as well, but everything else is done very simple and easy. Maybe you have multiple salespeople working for you as well. You can keep track of the call stats, how many were answered, missed, first-time calls, what's the average call duration, right? And even still like an agent reporting, if you have multiple different salespeople working for you, you can have a leaderboard over here. What's the most opportunities won, and how many people have won that? Which is your best-selling sales rep, right? So you can all see that here, really simple and easy with these reportings. And even go to appointment reporting. Is your goal of your business sending out a bunch of different reports to see exactly how your appointments are matching up? Are you sending out tons of leads and text messages to your prospects to set up an appointment with them? Are they not showing up? What is the fail-safe on your pipeline, right? So when you're having a funnel, are people just dropping off? Are they not even showing up? So maybe your landing page needs a little refresher. Maybe the text on your ad needs a little refresher. So you can kind of see exactly with everything else within LeadLeaf reporting is very simple and easy. Can track anything else you like. So with LeadLeaf software, you can sign up down below for a 14-day free trial on us and then become a part of our LeadLeaf family. And we'll show you exactly how you can help make more money, close more deals with our automation process, and much, much more with our LeadLeaf software today. So make sure you like and subscribe our channel, and we'll show you more tips and tricks on how to close more deals with our software. See you on the next video.